Alright guys, I just got a new screen recorder and I'm positive I don't know how to work it, but you guys are gonna kinda help me out. So I gave this girl a shout out. We hit 17 members yesterday. iiomqcooxieii. I. So I guess she's got a couple Robux. She looks like she's got, okay, this is like probably 5 Robux, that shirt. So 5 plus 25, she probably had 30 Robux. So we're gonna help her out. Then we're gonna try to hack her. Let's see if she's in the group. So we know that for a fact because we just saw her. That's how we know her. We wouldn't know her. Okay, she's not online anymore, but when she comes on, she will have the Robux. Hopefully. If she sees it, then I will let her see. Alright, I can give 63 Robux. I won't tell you her password because I don't know if she'll be happy. Because who knows? She could be mad, she could be angry. I don't know why my name's called the gift giver. Okay, we're gonna put it up here for a minute. No. Quick, we need to copy her name. Oh wait. We know her name. iiomqcooxieii. Okay, she I just wanted to know if she'll show up, Darn. There you are. Now, if I have group funds, then I will totally, gladly pay y'all. If I can. If I've got group funds, I will pay you Robux. If you're in my group. Sounded British for me. Now, for the most big part. We're gonna hack her. I saved this because I didn't get it. I just tried to log in a million times. This is the password I guessed. 3, 2, 1. Guys, we're in the account. Oh, and we got the 67 Robux. She said she had 4 Robux before. Let's go spend this Robux here. I mean, who cares what she thinks? We can go get her a little clothes and we can make her happy because she wasn't online. Alright, what would a noob girl, I'm not trying to call her noob girl. Let's get her this free thing. Hopefully she'll like it. She should like this is from a movie. How much are the antlers? We can't get them for. Next time I get group, well, of course the ads are up. I'm not trying to sponsor. It's not what I'm trying to do at all. Alright. So, let's go back to the catalog. And then we can play like a home store game. I'm probably assuming she's new to Roblox. No, 'cause she's got Robux. Alright. I got 10,000 Robux the other day. Man, you should have saw me. I was screaming. Can we get her a face? A good face? No, we can't get her hair. Maybe we could get her little pigtails. Yeah, she needs new hair. Because she's wearing the noob hair. I mean, I'm not trying to call her a noob, but come on. You know what I mean. Talum on hair. Yeah, we have enough. Wow. Wow. Best hair ever. Yeah, we're totally gonna buy. I like this. This is cute. Okay, let's go 1 to 67. Because that's all we have. Do you all like this? I don't like that. How much was that? This? We could try it, but it wouldn't work out. This one. This is cute. But the question is, how much Robux will we have? Well, I'm sorry. Would you like to buy this for 50 Robux? Your transaction will be 17. Alright, we can't get this. Maybe we could get her that ramen ball thing. She wouldn't enjoy that. No. Duh. Okay, let's go back to the catalog. Maybe if we got our 1,000 Robux, maybe we could change our username. She'd be like, why is this my username? Why? Tell me right now, Roblox. Did you just buy me 1,000 Robux and change my name? Totally not. Nobody just hacked your account and change your username. No. No. I wish I could get this on my account. Alright. I was typing just face. Why do the pie phones show up every time I want a face? We'll go to body points. Now we gotta do 1 to 17. 17. Okay. I feel like we should get her. I don't know what she was like. Would she like the package? Would she like the faces? I forgot what hair we got her. Oh, cause then she won't get cute clothes. I'm not saying her clothes aren't cute already, but nobody's gonna buy this. Drool. Let's get her the Cootie Mouse face. Yeah, let's get her the Cootie Mouse face. Cause that's at 15. And that's a cute little face. She won't have any left, but the free clothes are kind of cute. I like the free clothes. Oh, we could have got that oh dear face. Not oh dear. No, oh dear. No, oh dear. You know what I mean. I will do more hacking videos. Trust me, there will be a lot more in the future. I promise. Man, I really had to poop. Oh yeah, we got her this. Come on, load. I want to go. Alright, now we can take this. Oh, she's got this. That's 50 Robux. We could sell it. Well, I hope you enjoyed iiomqcooxieii. If you are happy with your new avatar, comment down below. And I'll see you next time. Peace out.